Luminous listeners, please tune your ears to the sounds of this poem. It's called Hologenesis. I rise as the phoenix, I burn as the emerald flame. I circle in rings, in tripling codons. I fly upon wings. Upon the wings I must float. Before the wings I must glow. Before I glow I must fall. I must shatter. I must burn. I must break. I must forget. The ring of life and death codes the light of innocence, codes the light of presence, codes the light of selflessness. I crawl as the toddler, I waddle, I stumble. Mother, feed me. Mother, want me. Father, hold me. Father, love me. My cries alert the town. My town ignores my sound. Mother is here. Father is there. Someone around. Someone come near. Do you hear my cries? Can you see my tears? I am crying out. My hunger is clear, for that which I hunger forms that which I fear. I go into school and they mock what I wear. I am 12 now, I am still lost in the sounds. New kid in town, new face of frowns. New school, I chase, I close, shut down. 16, sweet dreams, yeah right, so it seems. 27, now I see. 33, master key. I am the sky whisperer. I am the solar seer. I am the cosmic muse transmuting fear. I spin in 21 rings and 64 lights of universal love. I call upon the doves that soar into the heavens. The egoic mind must discern the lies. The egoic mind must release the karmic ties. The egoic mind must invoke the inner light. The egoic mind must decay and die. But death is a lie. To die is to rise. Alchemize the lower dross. Transmute to purest thought. To rise is to see from beyond what you think. To see from the eye of 3 in 1. The eye of the mind, of a higher harmonic, of a higher truth, from a higher realm, of the feminine light, of the feminine flow, of electrical light, of magnetic space. The divine feminine is Mother Earth, the emerald flame of a glowing heart. 7 sacred seals spin the evolution wheels of the Merkaba. I surrender to the grace of the undistorted will. I call upon grace. Please open your gates. Descend upon man. Devolve into land. Heal our core wounds. We long to be free. The core fractals of 144. Thousands upon thousands of ancestral lines. The ring of Illuminati, the synarchy of the queendom, the harmony of corruption, the 21 codons, the rings of revelation. This is cosmic order, the ascension of a nation. Bloodlines of separation, bloodlines of guilt, bloodlines of rejection, bloodlines of shame, bloodlines of denial, bloodlines of repression, the 6 lines, the sacred wounds, the 7 rays of silent truth, archangels. Please descend. Please heal the human hands and raise the shadows into light. Sefkiel, please share your grace. Gabriel, please share your truth. Setkiel, please share forgiveness. Haniel, please share epiphany. Raphael, please share universal love. Kamael, please share omniscience. Mikael, please heal humanity by your divine will. The colors of consciousness, the flames of inner light, the phoenix now risen. As the Corpus Christi, the one, the whole, the spirit, the body, the mind, the light, the love of Christ.